Hi, Matthew Bob here, and you're at the Little Pink Garage, and this is the Wednesday Bump. So today we're going to talk about honking in Seattle, basically the Northwest. It's a little different than other places. So let's go get started. Well, that was exciting. Now, honking in Seattle is not like honking in New York or Boston or Chicago or Los Angeles. In those cities, honking is a bit more aggressive. I learned how to drive by driving my father to and from New York City airports. And I learned honking from cabbies. So cabbies, they honk like this. But here in Seattle, we're a little bit more passive aggressive. So there are levels to honking that we engage in. Hey, person in car ahead of me, the light has changed. Hey, person in car ahead of me, really, the light has changed, so go. Oh, person in the car ahead of me, get off your damn phone. You'll notice that none of the honks comes to the level of the cities mentioned earlier. Anyone who drives and lives in Seattle has had the experience of sitting at a red light when someone at the red light is on their phone and the person behind them is just waiting for them to notice the green light. Having driven in all the cities mentioned earlier, I like the honking style here in Seattle. It's way friendlier. But of course, there's a lot of people moving here from other parts of the country and the world, and they bring their own honking style. This video is for those new arrivals and some of you old residents. Welcome to Seattle. Learn our honking style. Thanks, folks. Until next time. Drive safe. Keep you cool.